Hello everybody, how are you doing today? This is Krus Tech Videos here with another quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to rotate the screen in Windows 10, laptop or desktop. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. Now, right click on an empty space on the screen and select the display settings. Click the display orientation drop down and select the orientation you want. The available ones are landscape, portrait, reverse landscape, and reverse portrait. Finally, to keep the changes you made, click the Keep Changes button. If you want to revert to the previous orientation, click Revert. Otherwise, the orientation will be reverted to the previous one in 15 seconds. I think everything is clear for you. Thanks for watching this video.